Tonight's class, we're going to focus on another application in the Google Suite, Google Jamboard, as well as the virtual software that allows us to meet virtually called Google Meet. So I'm trying to have us meet virtually for the first time tonight, just so I can get you used to that, because I want you to be able to use the software because it's becoming more and more of a standard in education based on all the crazy things that have been happening over the last couple of years. So tonight we're going to meet virtually. Here's a document on how you'll enter the meet. So if you click on this, it'll open up a document and it'll show you exactly what you have to do in order to get to the Google Meet. You can get there two ways. One would be if I send you a link directly, which I will do. I'm recording this video before I have everyone sign up for Gmail. I need your Gmail list in order to send you an invite. So I will do that. So essentially, when I send you an invite, you'll get a notification in your Google Mail. You open it up, click the link, it'll take you right to the Google meeting, and you'll see a picture of yourself here from your camera. All you have to do is join now, and you'll join the Google meeting. The second way would be if you just went to this website, meet.google.com, and you'll see the screen below. There's an access code, which again, I could give you. I'll probably end up sending you the access code as well, just in case, so you can try both ways if you'd like. But you click enter a code for a meeting. You need the access code. I need to get that code when I create the meeting, and I won't be able to create the meeting until I have all your email addresses in Google. But there'll be a code that I would send you. You can put the code in, click join, and then you would enter the meeting. That way I would get a notification, and you would see the same screen that you see if you join using the link that I send you an email, and you would say join now, and boom, you'll be in the meeting. So that document will give you an overview of how it works. What I'll do is I'll change this document once I set everything up. The code will be here, so you'll know that, but I just wanted to show you that I put this document in to help you enter the Google meeting. So it's the first thing. Then I put some videos of Google Jamboard and how to use it. This is kind of a fun thing. You can make activities or have everyone answer questions. So it's pretty easy to use, and I found some good videos of different people, different teachers that use Jamboard as part of what they do. And then these couple videos are how to create activities. So one of your assignments will be make some kind of a little activity. So these videos will be helpful. What we'll do is I'll show you. I have a way that I use Jamboard in a statistics class last year just to get people to enter data. It's very easy, and then we'll go through and create a simple Jamboard, and I'll share it with the class. So we'll do that in real time as we go through the class. As always, there's some more help. This is text-based help. Again, for those of you who like to read things, I found a couple more videos that might be helpful, but I think these ones that I popped in here are really good and well done. I think you can get a lot from them. And then your assignment is very low key. It's create a Jamboard and make some kind of an activity, and hopefully the videos will help you. And you'll make the activity or game for a whole class. That means that you share the Jamboard with the whole class. Again, you can get that from the email list. Now here's the link to that page, but there's nobody's email in because the class hasn't started yet. But what I'll do is once I get everybody's email, I'll populate this. So if you have to share things with the entire class, you'll be able to get everybody's email from this page, which is the second page of the site. And then what I'm going to ask you to do, this is class 3. At the beginning of class 4, I'm just going to ask everybody quickly to share their Jamboards, because we're going to be virtual in class 4 as well. So you can, so this is very open-ended, simple assignment. The second part of this, the reason I wanted to do this virtually, is I just want to take you through some of the ways that you can use Google Meet. We're not going to get into all the really complicated stuff, but these videos will help you. I'll show you a couple things, and you can use these videos just to familiarize yourself with Google Meet and what's possible. There's something called breakout rooms and activities and things that you can use. So I found, what are there? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos, and then what we'll do is talk about certain things within Google Meet that I think will be beneficial. I'll show you how to share, because that's something that you're going to have to do in class 4 to share your work. And once again, some text / whenever you have these red things, it's a combination of text and or videos all in the same place to help you with this particular application. Then there's some more just text-based help. And then these last two are, this is where you could actually use a Jamboard within your Google Meet. And same thing with this one. This is a fellow that works with me. He created a nice little video, so he let me use it for this. And then this is one from the internet. And this class will have a PDE assignment. Essentially, all this is I want you to install 2 pieces of software on your home computer or laptop, wherever you're going to do your homework. One of them is called Loom. It's a video creation / editing tool, and the second one is called Smart Notebook. So the first part is you'll install Loom. You'll get a 10 out of 10 if you install it. Here's some videos to watch about installing it. There's a couple different ways to do it. And then some introductory videos on using Loom. And then the second one is Smart Notebook. There's a downloads page, so you'll have to pick the software, if you're a Windows or a Mac person. I'm a Mac person strictly because that's the laptop that my day job provides me. You can download it. Now, the big thing with Smart Notebook is you get, they keep changing it. It used to be a 45-day free trial of the full-blown software, and then it goes down to a limited version. And I'll talk about the differences between the full-blown version and the limited version. But both of these softwares are free for educators or students, so that's why I want to expose you to them. And then here's some video. So basically, you have a homework assignment for Jamboard. There is no homework for Google Meet, but then you have the PDE to install these 2 pieces of software to get you ready for class number 4, which will also be virtual, because it will be easier for me to show you how to use both of these softwares from my laptop than in the school, because I can't download things onto the school computer. So that's where we're going. So tonight's class is pretty straightforward. It'll be our first video class, so hopefully everything will work out okay.